clear the deck below.
Load is secure. Bringing it over now.
Lower, lower. Hold it right there. Looks good. Set it down gently. The dispersal pattern looks good from here. We're holding steady at nominal pressure.
Okay, increase torque to 9,500.
9,500, understood. Is the voltage stabilizer connected on the steamer yet?
Almost, just securing the last line now.
All right, push it slowly. Watch the seal on the left.
The calibration sequence is complete. All green on the diagnostics.
Excellent. Let's sign off on the checklist.
Lower slowly. We're almost aligned.
Copy that. We have contact. Start the securing sequence.
Steady, steady. Hold it right there. We are clear for the coupling.
Slow descent. Mark the alignment point. We need 2 inches starboard.
Roger that. Moving starboard.
Set it down gently, watch the clearance.
Looks aligned. Go ahead, torque it. Roger. Engaging impact wrench now.
Fluctuation detected on the main turbine readout.
Increase the field excitation by 2%. Maintain rotor temperature.
Reading stable at nominal.
Watch the alignment slowly now.
Confirmed. The flow rate is stable and exceeding expectations.
The pressure differential on line 4 is fluctuating again.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow rate now.
Lowering confirmed. Maintain alignment at 2 degrees.
Roger that, Captain. We are fully seated. Great work, team.
Easy now, a little bit left, hold it. All right, set it down slow.
The ventilation system ensures air quality, while the deluge system is primed for immediate response in an emergency.
Check the cryogenic levels on auxiliary 3.
Reading stable at 90%. Proceeding with integration sequence.
Attention all personnel. The following is a review of Operation Nightingale. Focus on the Central District overlay.
Valve locked and secure.
Acknowledged. Initiating sequence. Pressure is nominal. Integration complete.
This one is very popular for the sunny excursions, and it provides excellent UV protection.
I love it. It's much lighter. What do you think of the fit?
This one is very popular for the sunny excursions, and it provides excellent UV protection.
I love it. It's much lighter. What do you think of the fit?
The route alignment is successful on the main display.
Confirmed. The integration looks stable.
The route alignment is successful on the main display.
Confirmed. The integration looks stable.
Reroute the primary data flow through the secure channel here.
Done. We have stable connectivity now.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance.
Okay, easy now, we're almost seated.
All right, engaging the torque wrench, stand clear.
We're seeing some instability on the long-range channels.
It's compensating. Look, the synchronization is holding.
We did it.
Keep it tight to the line, watch the mule.
Yes, Chief. Tow tractor secure. Zone 3 is green.
Manifest signed, staging complete. Clear on my side. Okay, easy now, easy. Set it down. All right, it's seated. Hand me the torque wrench.
Set the monitor here, connect the power source.
Power is live, booting up now.
Organizing the IV bags by blood type, Doc.
Okay, engage the windlass. Let's test the run out.
All right, ease it in now.
Clear. Check the torque on the clamps.
3 clicks, securely fastened.
Directions. The yellow sections indicate we are still in the fabrication phase for the hull.
Yes, but the stress analysis simulation.
Confirm the alignment on the next batch.
We're running at 98% efficiency today.
Forward hook secured. Applying tension now.
Confirmed, tension coming up. Check stabilizers.
Stabilizers green. Bring her down 50 mils, gently now.
50 mils, understood.
Stand by with the dial indicators. Laser alignment is solid.
All right, easy now, watch the starboard side. Loud and clear, coming up.
Bring her down another inch, watch the alignment pins.
Copy that, slow and steady.
Hydraulic connection secure, ready for pressure test.
Alignment confirmed within tolerance. Signal the crane to lower.
Roger that.
Beginning stud installation sequence per procedure 4B.
Status check inside. Oxygen levels holding steady at 20.9.
The grid framework is essential, distributing the massive aircraft loads across the entire structure.
Check the pressure on the main condenser now.
Reading stable. Salinity levels are clear. Good.
Open the distribution pumps to the tanks. All right, VAV5 reading steady at 1200 CFM.
Roger that, balancing complete. We are good to go.
Check the pressure on the main condenser now.
Reading stable. Salinity levels are clear. Good.
Open
open the distribution pumps to the tanks.
All right, VAV5 reading steady at 1200 CFM.
Roger that. Balancing complete. We are good to go.
These state-of-the-art facilities ensure our air wing maintains combat readiness far from shore.
Safety interlocks verified. Steam pressure at 1200 psi. Catapult ready.
Launch control. Green light authorized. Send the signal.
Check the dissolved oxygen levels on panel 4.
Reading steady at 2.5 milligrams per liter.
Initiating flow sequence now. Stand by for pressure check.
We have foam production. Ratio is holding steady at 3%.
These industrial compactors reduce waste volume by 75%, allowing the carrier to operate for
Reactor shutdown sequence successful. All rods inserted.
Acknowledged. Core parameters stable. QA has signed off on step 12.
We have 3 critical incoming. Status now.
Patient 1 is stable, moving to recovery.
Tag this one immediate, get him to Bay 2. Initiating redundancy test, switching primary offline.
Primary secured. Backup online.
Rudder angle confirmed, holding steady at 15 degrees.
Ensure the cushion supports are flush against the bulkhead.
Copy that, moving to station 4.
Rack 7B secure.
Start the sequence. Pressure holding steady at 3000. Connect the hose for the flow test.
Verifying temperature control on level 3. We have minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit.
Looks good. The compressors are running smoothly.
We need absolute precision here. Check the inclinometer readings.
Torquing bolt 3 now. Readings are stable at 0.01.
DB cycle went up now. A little to the left, stabilize there. Reading is solid, alignment confirmed. Alignment holding steady at 0.5 millimeters.
Confirmed. Continue push sequence at current pressure.
Approaching the flange connection point.
Okay, Charlie, bring it up 2 clicks on the elevation.
2 clicks up, confirm, powering the system now, stand by for stabilization test.
The International Orange Netting provides a crucial last line of defense, rigorously tested to ensure the safety of all flight deck personnel.
This galley is designed to serve 8,000 meals a day, ensuring the crew is fueled for deployment.
We have an overheat alarm on the starboard engine. Acknowledge.
Alarm silenced. Confirming parameters.
Thermal imager, radios, and OBA secure. Verify signature required.
Confirmed. Inventory complete.
This comprehensive network infrastructure enables the digital transformation of naval aviation maintenance. Integrated